Namaste, my name is Mahesh. Today I would like to continue online classes in which physics subject the first chapter is motion. Yesterday class we discussed distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. Today we are going to discuss about motion and uniform motion and non-uniform motion, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, velocity, uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity and average velocity. Once again, I can give brief about today our covering concepts. Today we are going to cover uniform motion, non-uniform motion, uniform speed, non-uniform speed. That non-uniform speed we also called as variable speed. Next, uniform velocity or constant velocity, variable velocity or non-uniform velocity and average velocity. Tomorrow we can discuss or we will discuss acceleration and uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration in detail. Today our concepts are uniform motion, non-uniform motion, uniform speed, non-uniform speed or variable speed, uniform velocity or variable velocity, non-uniform velocity, finally average velocity. Now the first concept today is what is motion. Once we know what is about the motion, then we can understand uniform motion, non-uniform motion and so on. What is the motion? When there is a relativity between two objects, then the position difference is called motion. Once again, I am repeating, when there is a relativity between two objects, then the position difference is called motion. Now uniform motion. Our concept is uniform motion. When a body travels equal distances with equal interval of time, such a motion we can call as uniform motion. Now, non-uniform motion. When a body covers unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a motion we called as non-uniform motion. Now, this uniform motion and non-uniform motion, I shall explain on the board with neat examples. Please observe carefully. Now, once again, I am repeating uniform motion and and non-uniform motion. When a body covers equal distances with equal interval of time, such a motion we call as uniform motion. When a body covers unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a motion we can call as non-uniform motion. Let's go for brief detail. Now, uniform motion. When an object or body or vehicle travels equal distances in equal intervals of time is said to be uniform motion. When an object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time is said to be uniform motion. Example, a body or car, a body or car started at A, after some time covered B, after some time covered C, after now its position is at D. That means from A to B it will travel a distance 60 kilometers. From B to C it will travel a distance 60 kilometers. From C to D it will travel a distance 60 kilometers. Now from A to B it took a time 1 hour. From B to C it took a time 1 hour. Similarly from C to D it took a time 1 hour. What is the meaning for that one means an object or a body covers equal distances with equal interval of time. Such a motion we call as uniform motion. Now, non-uniform motion. When an object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Once again, when an object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. When an object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Now, I would like to give a good example to make you understand easy. That is, example. Now take a body. This body started at A, reaches point B after some time reaches point C. After some time reaches point D. In this case, the body or an object or a vehicle from A to B covers a distance 60 kilometers and B to C covers a distance 70 kilometers. From C to D covers a distance 80 kilometers. But it took same time from A to B 1 hour, from B to C 1 hour only, from C to D 1 hour only. That means an object which travels unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a motion we call as non-uniform motion. When a body covers unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a motion we can call as non-uniform motion. Now, uniform speed. When a body travels equal distances with equal interval of time, such a speed we call as uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. When a body covers or it travels unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a speed we call as non-uniform speed. I shall explain the same point on the board. Uniform speed. When a body covers equal distances with equal interval of time, such a speed we call as uniform speed. When a body covers unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a speed of a body we call as non-uniform speed. Now, I would like to explain on the board. Listen carefully. Now, uniform speed. When a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, then the speed is said to be uniform speed. Once again, when a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, then the speed is said to be uniform speed. Example, a body covers and started at a point A. After some time it reached B, and after that C. Finally it is at D. During its journey from A to B, it covers a distance 60 kilometers and B to C 60 kilometers. Finally, from to D 60 kilometers. During its journey, it took a time from A to B 1 hour, B to C 1 hour, C to D 1 hour. That means a body travels equal distances with equal interval of time. Such a speed of a body we called as uniform speed. Next, our concept is non-uniform speed. If a body covers unequal distances with equal interval of time, such a speed of a body we called as non-uniform speed. Let's go for discussion on the board. Non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. When a body travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the speed is said to be non-uniform speed. Once again, when a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, then the speed is said to be non-uniform speed. Example, a body started its journey at A. During its journey, it covers B, C points. Finally, it stopped at D or reached at D. During its journey, it covered a distance 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers and 80 kilometers. But it took a time from A to B 1 hour, from B to C 1 hour, from C to D 1 hour. That means a body covers a distance that is unequal distances. A body covers a distance in which unequal distances with equal interval of time. Such a speed we called as non-uniform speed. Now our next concept is uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity and average velocity. Finally, today we discuss what is motion, what is uniform motion and what is non-uniform motion, and uniform speed, non-uniform speed with good examples. For our next class, we can discuss velocity, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, average velocity, followed by acceleration, uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration with good concepts. Thank you very much for careful listening. Thank you.